Hello friends, I am going to show you how to access the presentation for session D. You are going to click on this link and it will upload, it will open a new web page with the presentation. This is an infographic presentation and it will charge like this. If you read the lesson plan, you will be able to follow all the links and characteristics that this presentation has. So here you will click for the warm-up video. When you click on it, a new page will be open on YouTube, and here you will be able to watch the video and present it to the kids. When you end watching the video, you just close that window and you can continue presenting the topic. Here you will see some labels to show students some examples and obviously the content of the lesson. Here you will see more examples while you are explaining the topic, and here you will see the exercise that you do with them while they are presenting, while you are presenting the class. What's wrong with this sentence is playing, and if you want to elicit this their answers, who's playing, what is playing, to foster the conversation. Then in this part of the presentation you will see Namestorm. This is the practice that they will do in their notebooks. When you click here, the page will be kind of gray, but when you go up you have to click like this, and here is the example for them to draw the chart in their notebooks and to start the activity. In the end of the class you will watch another video, so you can click on this red button and it will open again a new page there in YouTube. When you finish, you just close and it will come back to the thank you section. So I hope you like this presentation that I made for our class this week. Bye.